This is Janelle Penny, Editor-in-Chief of Buildings magazine, and I'm here with Jason Bird, who is the Managing Director and Creative Director for Luxxbox. And what are we looking at right now, Jason?
So this is our blade fixture. It's a slimline acoustic panel that incorporates a lighting system, and it's used for over workstations or conference tables and things like that. The great thing about it, I guess, is it doubles as, it does two things for the price of one. You get acoustic performance and lighting. You can grid it in an open ceiling system where you have non-illuminated and illuminated baffles. We can do them in panels, individual panels from 4 foot high, up to 4 foot high and up to 8 feet long, which is like a continuous piece. And we can join them together to do almost continuous rows of illumination. It's very functional illumination, so you get a lot of light, so it's perfect for every workstations and things like that. And the great thing about it is that you're getting two things for the price of one. So you're getting acoustic performance with the lighting with one installation, not two installations. We have a range of standard PET colors. So PET, the polyester fiber, is the core, and it's 65% recycled water bottles and 100% recyclable.
Great.
And then we also can clad it in these really rich, sustainable wool fabrics. So that just brings in another depth and also works better with potentially with the furnishings, the soft furnishings that the interior designers might incorporate. One of the things that we like about this is that it means that building owners can still put a higher density of workers in an open plan office space. And by adding a low-cost solution like this, you can actually give a better work environment with the acoustics.